Hi guys, welcome to another Living in SATV video. David here. So today we're gonna show you the most amazing, spacious, stylish, luxury apartment at the Embassy Towers right here at Africa's richest square mile. And let me tell you guys, the lifestyle of living in Sandton is more than just living at the Africa's richest square mile. It's indeed an experience that I want you guys to feel right here, right now in this amazing video, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again, this video will blow your mind. We are at Africa's richest square miles, guys. So this is not only a place to make business, this is a place to live, guys. And having a house right here, it's unprecedented. There you go, guys, Embassy Towers. So we're going now. Okay, so this is the entrance. Remember, to get to the apartments itself, you guys have a special elevator, something like this, so it works with biometrics, so top of the art cutting edge technology. That side there it will be the spa. Here will be the restaurant, the olives and plates. So continuing, so I need to show you guys the pool outside. We actually looking forward to see the penthouse. This is definitely a great development. There you go. This is the gym. Okay, so wait, excuse me. What is this? I'd like to see. So these are the bathrooms. You guys can see also the art inside of the building itself. Very cosmopolitan, first world. That's what you expect from Africa's richest square mile. It's quite windy today. You can bring your wifey, everything here. Stunning. There you go. Okay, now we just get out of the spa, and where are we going? We're going directly to the pool, which is another amenity. Just don't forget down below, you guys have the links for all the Sandton experience, Africa's richest square mile. So now we're entering inside of all these end plates. And we're gonna show you guys what? We're gonna show you guys the pool. Sorry guys, what is it? The entrance for the pool, okay. So this is the bar area, right? There you go, we are inside, outside. Let me show you guys the pool. Okay, so now we're going in again, and we're going directly to the apartment. You guys can see it's quite full. Now we're going to the 11th floor. Because I can't show you guys a place to live if you guys don't understand what's here to enjoy in the building, you know what I mean? And this is where we're going now, to the 11th floor. Okay guys, so this is the beautiful view from the elevator. And look at this. Thank you so much, my brother. So first feature is security, right? Security is very important. So you guys come directly from the elevator and you go through the door of the house. And this is such a beautiful penthouse, right? Right here in Santon. You guys probably have seen the videos that we have done in Santon. You guys are literally in the center of Africa's richest square mile. Look at this. Stunning. So beautiful kitchen with all the appliances, beautiful living room. Look at this beautiful counter. And now, look at this beautiful living room. Beautiful corner couch looking at this big screen TV. And now let me show you guys this amazing veranda. This balcony is breathtaking. You guys can make a braai, have a business meeting, and look at this. Right here in the center of Africa's richest square mile. Yo man, this is stunning. Okay, just a quick reference in terms of the buildings. We got Discovery Building there, we have the American Embassy there, we have the Santon Tower, we have the Michelangelo there, the tallest building in Africa, the Leonardo. We have Santon City Mall, you guys can see. Beautiful building here. You guys have tons of hotels, you got... It just goes on. It's beautiful, it's unique. It's a jewel. Right here at the Embassy Towers, guys. This is stunning. Look at this. Oh, of course, in terms of amenities, you guys also have a restaurant downstairs. You guys have a tennis court. You guys can see the beautiful pool. Sure, this is just incredible. Okay, now let's go in. Make sure you enjoy again this beautiful ample space. Look at this. Imagine just eating on that beautiful table and just looking at this amazing, amazing place. And the cool thing is, I love how this house is designed. Look at the beautiful, beautiful TV. Oh wait, look at this unique fridge. This is stunning. Hi, how are you? Look at this is stunning. Such a beautiful pantry. Look at this pantry. It just give you guys an idea of all this. Look at this beautiful, you got the tumble dryer, the washing machine, the beautiful taps here. It's incredible. Very well designed. Okay, of course you guys also have what they call the beautiful poker room, wine cellar. And now we're going to the other side of the house. So they also have a little bit of storage here. You can see, nice, very nice. Another thing is you guys also have an emergency exit in case you need it. Look now at this beautiful bathroom. It's like being inside of a hotel. This is just a guest bathroom. Look at this, the biggest guest bathroom I actually ever seen. Okay, now let's see this amazing room. You guys can see by entering here, you guys are entering literally inside of the wardrobe. So, wow. Imagine just open the curtains in the morning. They have this beautiful view from Ilovo, Sentence CBD on that side. This is prime. Watching TV, watching your Netflix series at night. Sure. Crazy view. Crazy view. So CBD, that's Ilovo, Sandhurst. You guys can see how leafy our suburbs are. Incredible. And of course, you just stand up. The first thing you go do it in the morning, you go to the bathroom, right? Look at this. Look at this. This is just stunning. Stunning. You got the shower. By the way, those cables is because they're actually cleaning the windows of the building. Stunning architecture. All the amenities that you wish for. At Africa's richest square mile. Okay, and now we're going to the other side of the house, guys. We're going to the other side of the house and see 3 other bedrooms. Okay, so the first room we're gonna see on this side is this one. You can see a room for your kids or for your grown-ups, depending how you're gonna use it. And all these rooms have an ensuite, right? Again, this is probably the most amazing, beautiful penthouse I have seen here in a long time. Look at this beautiful backyard here. It's like a sculptural garden. Sure, the prime view here is just amazing. Look at this. You see what makes this property so exclusive? And of course, the bathroom. You can just marvel this view for a little bit, eh? Look at this. Now. Look at this. Wait until you see the master bedroom. Wait until you see the master bedroom. Look at this. It's incredible. And of course, you guys have seen, we have already mentioned the latest development here in Santon, which is the 70. Also, one of the brand new convenience subs right here in Santon. Look at this. This is not even the master bedroom, guys. Oh, come on, man. Taking a shower in this place. Look at this. And of course, you can't see from the outside in. No, the beautiful details. Wait, let me just do that. There you go. Awesome. Okay, you still have the view from here if you're having a shower. Okay, that's so interesting. Wow. I don't know, let us know down below, guys, what you think about this amazing penthouse. You guys know it's not my first time in the building, but this is definitely one of a kind here. Look at this. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Look at this. For the ladies, there you go. Very nice. So we got the inside closet. for a queen. The vanity. And to start, we're going straight away to the bathroom. The bathroom, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. A masterpiece. Perfect size. House for a family. I like these corner windows. Sure, this is stunning. Now you just wake up in the morning, guys. This is incredible. And of course, we also have the... Look at this. And directly you can see also the balcony. Stunning. Okay, guys. So the most amazing thing about this house is so well built. And the space is so well taken care of. There is a secret room. Can you imagine? Which I'm going to show you guys now. Wait. Look at this. So this is where we are, right? It's literally at the entrance of the house, right? Right here, right? So look at this. This is so cool. This is probably one of the most amazing things. Look at this. And guess what? This is actually a theater. A theater, guys. Look at this. And this is completely soundproof. This also can do anything from here. A prayer room, a panic room. Look at this. Sure, this is beautiful. Wow. Got the games there. Sure, top. Comment down below, guys, because this is mind-blowing. Okay, guys, so what I could learn by doing this amazing apartment, this is not even an apartment, it's a penthouse, is the fact of conveniency. You guys are literally in the heart of Africa's richest square mile. Olive's Plates, downstairs a restaurant, you guys can get your food directly from downstairs. The conveniency, the distance, the safeness of being here, the schools around here, you know, if you're working for these corporates, by being here, it's like just one throw away from work, you know what I mean? Inside of the house, you got so many space. You guys can have family dinners, you guys can have your personal space, you know, you guys can drop something here like 35 people easily, you know. You got huge space to play around, guys. Again, down below you guys have the biggest playlist ever done about Sandton, 44 videos, and we will make sure that we'll break down the most important videos here in Sandton for you guys to have a deeper understanding of what we are talking about when we say that Sandton is an amazing place to live.
Okay guys, there you go, the video was done. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing luxury apartment right here at Africa's richest square mile. But again guys, make sure you share, you subscribe, and you destroy that like button, and we will see you in the next Living in SATV video.